Welcome to another video tutorial. This tutorial will be on how to image a live Linux machine. Now, the principle and the commands are the same, but I'm going to be using a virtual machine, obviously. Okay, it's pretty straightforward. Just let me get started. Okay, alright, so what I'm going to do, I'm going to use the dd command to create the image, but I'm going to write it on the host machine. Right, so I'm going to create an image of the guest machine and store it on the host machine. Let's get started. How I normally do it, like I said, is to write the image across the network. System tools. Let's see. Right, let's see. Right, 192.168.2.2, my static IP address, and the host machine is supposed to be right, so we can communicate with it. Let me try and connect to it. For the sake of time, I have configured part of this already. Just what is the whole group? Where's the right? Was there a password? I can't remember. So, yes, I guess there was. Right, so I've partially configured this whole thing already for the sake of time. Right, I'm sharing a folder on the host machine named image. I'm going to mount that folder in Linux and then copy the image to that folder. Right, so let me carry through the mounting process. Into this one last time, we should have saved it. Right, these are actually the images that I created already in testing and so on, but I'm going to carry you through these steps. Okay, right, so what I'm going to do, I created a folder on the desktop named mount. I'm going to mount, well, I'll show you the steps. Let's see, desktop. I can't see, this is so far, I could barely, I think that's mount. Just now, I'm going to change the size of the screen for a second. Right, that's mount, right? Just want to make sure. Mount, right? Couldn't see it at that smaller resolution just now. Right, so what I have to do, I have to do the chmod command and the word mount. So I have unlimited access, unrestricted access to that folder. Now to mount it, actually, with the mount command and the path of the share 192.168.2.3/image. So that's the path of the share, and now I want to mount it on which folder? I think I use new. Is that the correct slash? I think so. Dev slash not dev. What models am I saying? Home. I think it's home desktop. Home what desktop? So tired right now. I can't remember the correct path for that thing. Okay, file system. Where is it? Is it home? Turn on desktop. Yeah, all that jazz that I go through. Right, so it's home, turn on desktop mount. Give me the capital M. think I may have typed. I'm not sure about the direction of that slash on, but I'll see. You want to specify the file system type. What didn't I do? I can't recall this from before. System type. Right, cool. Slash was incorrect, like I said, like I thought. So now it should be mounted. I'll show you what it looks like. It should look different as well. So it has like a hard drive with the word mount referencing this folder. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to write the image with the command and send it to this folder, which is actually here. So since I did it before, I would just show you the command and I won't actually let it run and take like 5 to 10 minutes to copy the image. So the command is basically based upon the file partition. So you run the file partition, you understand it's dev sda123, but it's wise to image the entire disk, which is dev sda, which is 10 gigs. It's wise to image the entire disk as opposed to a partition, because you may encounter some problems doing it like that. So the dd command basically for this partition would be right. So the if is the input file, dev/sda is the disk. Let's see, byte size equals 64K, pipe, gzip, and I also compress it so copy faster. And the location to copy it to is home terrain desktop mount, and I name it. What did I name it across here? You already seen the name. I don't want to give no problem, so I'll name it hda.img.gz. hda.img.gz. Right. So if I were to hit enter, you would see as though the command was hung or it's stuck or whatever, but it will just take a period of time to copy the data across. It's supposed to copy 10 gigs of data, so it'll take a little while, so I'm not going to run that. But this is the correct command here that gives you the result you want. Right? So now after the compressed file would have been created in a GZ format, what I would have done, or what I did, was to let me go to the Windows machine. It was stored here. So what I did actually, I would have right clicked and click extract here, and then I would have gotten this image, the hda.img image, this image file. And what I did was to use a program to convert the img file to a vhd file, and I did that via a program called Starwin v2v image converter. Got a number of different tools you can use. It is that I got this quite easily online and it worked perfectly for me, so I'm not complaining. So I use the hda.img and I clicked open, and then I clicked next and I selected ms virtual pc growable image, which is a vhd file. Then I clicked next again, but I think if I click next it will start the process of converting. I don't want to do that again. So that's how you convert from img to vhd. So the final thing is actually open VirtualBox, and this is the image here. I actually aborted it a while ago. I think VirtualBox could be crashing on me a little too much right now, but I would show you the process. I'll go to settings, storage, VHD, trace right, you see image, and we're in C image right now. It's pointing to the hda.vhd file. Right, so it's that there, and that's it there. In system, I enable IO APIC and PAENX and these things. Now it's crashing at times, but I hope it works properly now. Let me see what's going to happen. So you get the prompt and everything. Let's see what's going to happen. Is it going to boot properly like it should, or is it going to crash? Sample 6.3. Sometimes I have to go actually edit the kernel file and the number of things for this to work at times. It likes to give trouble for some reason. I'm going to freeze up. Don't freeze up. Don't freeze up. Don't freeze up on me. Right, it's loading properly. Thank God. Oof. This likes to give trouble. Right, so it's loading up properly. Thank God. Yeah, the DD.